Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to create a new user account on Windows 11. Go to start menu, right click on it, computer management, click local user and groups, click users, right click new user, uncheck this box, type new. Yeah, I'm typing what's your name, type here, full name and password, confirm. You want password means do it or not, and I am creating. Okay, account has been created. You need to check means go users, double click on it, new Kalia is created. Okay, cut, uh, start menu, my account, sign out option. Here the account created, bro. Click on it, sign in. That's it guys. Hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up for this video. I will happy a lot.